Okay, so in this video I want to talk about sales strategies and how you can sell things on Instagram, what kind of things you can use, where you can sell them, and how all that works, okay? So in the last two videos we talked about the PASE system, we talked about the 25 cognitive biases, and we also talked about storytelling and how you can use storytelling to sell things, okay? You now know how selling on Instagram works, and I will also give you like lots of examples in another video, and I can show you, or I will show you examples of stories, how everything works, how I sell, for example, in the Instagram story, in the Instagram DM, in captions and everywhere. I will just give you examples. But in this video, I just want to explain quickly where you can sell things on Instagram. So the first thing, or the first place where you can sell something, and that's probably the most powerful place, is the Instagram story. In your Instagram story, you can sell one-on-one mentorings, you can sell coaching calls, you can sell affiliate products, you can sell your own products, you can just sell whatever you want to, okay? Just a quick note, okay? Don't use too many swipe up links. Instagram doesn't like it when you use too many swipe up links. Instagram wants people to stay on the platform. So when you use 10 swipe up links every single day and you have 2,000 story views and 500 of them, like 500 of the people who watch your stories swipe up and leave the Instagram platform, then Instagram will probably drop your story views down to, let's say, 1,000 story views. Trust me, don't use too many swipe up links, right? So that's also why, sure, the Instagram story is the most powerful place to sell, but it's also important to know all the other places, because if you only have the Instagram story and use all these swipe up links, then your story views will go down and you will make less money. So make sure that you don't just focus on the Instagram story. Focus on all the other things too. So we have the Instagram story, then we have the DM, okay? I really like DM selling, so what you can just do is you can sell products in the Instagram DM and you can combine it with the story. So in your story, you can, for example, say, okay, send me a DM if you're interested. Then people will message you and you can then talk to them in the DM and sell products to them. And what I like to do is I like to sell high-tech products in the DM. So for example, products from $997 to $10,000, something like that, okay? Sometimes I also do it for $497 products, but most of the time the products that I sell through the DM are products from $1,000 to $10,000. Then you also have the Instagram posts. So what you can just do is you can upload a post, for example, a video. At the beginning you bring value, okay? Or at the beginning grab people's attention, and then you bring value, then you build relatability, so you use the AVR formula, and then at the end you sell something, okay? Or what you can also do is when you, for example, publish a free ebook, you can upload a post to your Instagram feed where you just say, okay, click the link in my bio if you want to learn how blah blah blah, and when you click the link in my bio, you will get my free ebook, okay? So you can do it with posts too. But what I prefer to do with posts is I like to use video posts to sell something, because if you just do a post and sell something, then the post will not get that many likes and it will not reach many people. So what I like to do is I like to use videos. At the beginning I grab people's attention, then I bring value, then I build relatability, and then I sell something, okay? And then the video gets way more views, way more likes and stuff like that, because I also bring value and people like me and people have relatability and all that stuff. So yeah, videos, definitely a powerful tool to sell things. Then you have the captions, okay? So what you can just do is, for example, when you upload, for example, a photo of yourself, or when you have a business page and upload a post with value, okay? What you want to do is, you have the AVR formula, right? So you already learned about that. If you don't already know what it is, then make sure to watch the video in Instagram Secrets, how to grow your account, okay? And then I explain the AVR formula. And what I want you to do is, so when you have a post that, for example, brings value, okay? You have a business post, and the main part of the post is to bring value. Then in the caption, I want you to grab attention, and I want you to build relatability, and then at the end of the caption you can sell something, okay? Or you can, for example, tell a story in the caption. In the last video we talked about storytelling. Oh, sorry, timer. So in the last video we talked about storytelling, right? So we talked about how you can use storytelling or how you can tell stories to make money or to sell products. Use, for example, storytelling in the captions, and then at the end of the caption sell something, okay? Just let people know, okay, I have a one-on-one mentoring right now. If you're interested, send me DM. And then you can combine captions with DM selling. Pretty easy, right? Then one of the powerful things on Instagram are definitely live streams. Okay, so if you have a personal brand or if you have a brand account, you can just go live and do a Q&A and answer questions, and in between you can just sometimes pitch your product. Okay, very easy. Or you can just go live, bring value for 20 minutes, do some storytelling, use the 25 cognitive biases, use the PASE system, get people to like you, build relatability and stuff like that, and at the end you just sell your product. Okay, live streams, very powerful. Then sure, you have a link in bio. You can just put a link into your bio, and some people will always click it. And then you have the highlights. Okay, so when you have a product, for example, I have the Instagram University 2.0. Go to my Instagram account, take a look at it, and in the highlights you will find a highlight that says Instagram University 2.0. Okay, so actually right now I don't have it. I deleted it, I think. Oh wait a second, do I have it? No, I don't have it right now. Definitely have to create it, but normally I just have it. Okay, so I have a highlight that says Instagram University 2.0. Okay, and in it I explain what the whole Instagram University 2.0 is about. So these are the things, or these other places, these are sales strategies or places on Instagram that you can use to sell in the Instagram story, in the DM, in posts, in captions, in live streams, in the link in bio, and through highlights. Okay, if you have any questions about it, just let me know. Okay, send me a DM on Instagram, and in the next videos we will talk about what kind of products you can sell and how you can actually make the money.